Hi viewers, my name is Adnan and today I told you something about the SMT. The SMT journey starts from here. This is a simple board. First of them we take the stickers on it, then we make this one in this, and after that we put this thing from here. Here look at that, and from this to go into this machine. This machine just take the solder on the PCB, and this conveyor move PCB to this machine, and this machine hold the PCB and done the other work and done the component on the PCB. This one shown 135 PCB already, and after that this conveyor is just put the PCB on this conveyor, and this conveyor is just to move the PCB in this last third machine. Third machine showing this one. This is a heatable and 2 cool zones, 8 heat zones, and after then all the boards are coming this one with this way. Thank you for joining us. We will meet you with a new show in again. Adnan signing off. Allah Hafiz.